What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Miguel and you're watching Miguel EDC, the channel where we talk everything EDC gear here. Today I have another short unboxing video for you guys to check out. Just got this box in the mail. Cannot wait to cut into it, share with you guys the knives that are in here. This package comes to me via the Lefty EDC knife pass around. So shout out to Lefty EDC, aka Kevin. Super grateful, super happy to be part of this group and for opportunities like these to check out knives like this that otherwise I wouldn't be able to and bring this content to you guys. So if that isn't worth a like right there, I don't know what is. So go ahead and smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm. With that being said, let's jump into it here. I will say I think I know what's in here, but in all honesty, I really don't know what's in here. You guys obviously will know by the title and thumbnail, but just know that this is going to be my unboxing experience, my first impressions, and so on. This knife and any other knife you'll see in this video will be linked down below. Those affiliate links do help out the channel at no extra cost to you. And doing the honors today, we have the Kunwu Chad. I just unboxed this bad boy here in the channel, and this thing has been in my pocket ever since because, man, this thing is just a beauty, just an awesome EDC knife. This titanium here is wonderful. I love the diamond pattern going on here on this bad boy. Man, this is really good stuff right here. So yeah, this guy's gonna be doing the honors. I don't want to destroy the box too much. I do want to use the box to send this knife back to the next YouTuber that's going to be checking this one out. Hopefully this is the right way to open up the package. Oh yeah, that's really glued up right there. Wow. All right, here we are. Okay, and I'm not sure if it's one knife or if it's more than one knife. We'll see. So we have this first one here. Whoa, yeah, it is definitely one knife, and that is one big pouch. Okay, well, let's see what's in here. All right, nice fabric pouch, zipper pouch going on. Let's unzip this bad boy. Haven't quite checked out these knives here in the past, so there'll be a first time. And holy moly. Okay, yeah, we got 1, 2, 3 different knives to check out here. Oh my goodness, I'm not sure which order to go in first, but yeah, let's check out this bad boy here first, shall we? And then we got 2 other ones to look at. All right, let's see this first one right here. Okay, I'm gonna put the model name right here on the screen because again, I am experiencing this one for the first time. All right, so this one is a Kizer. Okay, so that's a Kizer 154 cm steel. This is the Kizer Doberman, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, it is an Osho design and it is a liner lock with that 154 cm steel going on, satin finish. And this one has an interesting design. So the standard grip right here is nice and jimped for you to bear down on it like this, but you can forward choke, I'm assuming, and then you can rest your thumb on here like that. That is a very interesting Nesmuck looking blade. I believe that is the geometry on this bad boy, otherwise it'll just be a drop point. But holy moly, check out the design on this. It's definitely unique, right? Different than anything that we've seen. I believe the concept Nest Street was very similar to this one in a way. This one does have a bit of a peak right here where the thumb studs are. Ooh, nice and drop shot action. Thumb deployment feels good. See that reverse flick? Okay, reverse flick. Took a little bit of it was a little bit of a challenge, but it worked. All right, what's going on with the flipper? Okay, so the flipper requires a little bit of commitment. Like you want to be committed that you want to flip it. You can't just half effort your way into it. Like you really have to give it the beans for it to work. And yeah, this is a chunk of knife right here. It's definitely on the large knife category. We have I believe this is a reversible pocket clip. I don't see why it wouldn't be. It looks like it's only being held in by one screw, which is this other screw I see on this side. So it looks to be reversible. It seems to be deep pocket carry up until this much. You will have about that much of the knife showing out of the pocket there. Check out the lanyard hole situation here. Right, that's pretty interesting there. Very narrow, rectangular looking, very minimal and out of the way. Got some jimping going on here. The lanyard hole or window there is part of the black backspacer. Just nice, matches the pocket clip, all blacked out aesthetics. The liners are nice and recessed in, and yeah, I can tell this guy's gonna be pretty good. I'll definitely be EDCing this guy before I drop the comprehensive review. This is just a first impressions video out of the box. So let's do some size comparisons then next to the PM2. And wow, okay, I didn't think this right off the bat, didn't get the impression, but it is larger than the PM2. It is certainly larger than the Para 3. So yeah, definitely gonna be on that larger knife category for sure. Demko AD 20.5 and the shark's foot right there, and the slicer blade here on the Shark Cub. And yeah, it's definitely gonna be much larger than those two, without a doubt. All right, here we go. Here's a nice contender for this bad boy, the Rat Model 1. And honestly, is it bigger than the Rat Model 1? It kind of is. Yeah, it actually is bigger than the Rat Model 1. How about that for a change? And of course, certainly bigger than the Rat Model 2. Course. And then let's just do some other knives that I'm currently carrying right now. Here is the American Blade Works Model 1 with that nasty Warncliffe looking blade. And here's another one that I recently just unboxed, the Kunwu Chad in the titanium with the interesting PM60 steel. That is a new one for me. So I'm excited carrying this knife. Can't wait to drop the review here coming soon. But yeah, this bad boy, Kizer Doberman, like I remember, right? It's like a dog breed. The Doberman here is, yeah, longer than both of these knives as well. But yeah, some quick size comparisons to give you an idea right there. G10 handle going on this bad boy. Right, that G10 feels really good. It's nice and smooth, but when you bear it down, it feels nice and grippy. Nice and contoured too, right? Round edges all throughout, which feel really comfortable. Ergonomically speaking, right, this knife feels really good. I want to say the pocket clip is executed very well, and I'm sure it goes in and out of the pocket very well too. And when I'm bearing down on it, I barely sense that pocket clip is there. So yeah, forward choke option right here, probably the best one, especially with this curve in the spine of the blade that is also jimped there for your thumb. That's gonna be interesting. So let's do some quick cutting tests on this bad boy. We know it's gonna cut. Now it is not sharp out of the box. Keep in mind this knife has been making its round through other YouTubers, so chances are, obviously it has seen some use. But yeah, check out the drop action on this bad boy. Right, very drop shutty. It's not guillotine shutty, but just give it a little bit of a shake and boom. Yeah, very nice and smooth. So yeah, let's get some slices here going on. Yeah, check out those swirls right there. Still holding a pretty sharp edge. Check that out. Boom. Yeah. Wow. Yeah, this thing is gonna cut for sure. This is a flat grind, full flat grind going on here. The blade stock is not very thick from the get-go, so flat grind, full flat grind is gonna be a slicer all day, every day. Yeah, so we know we can do paper, of course. Let's do some cardboard as well, shall we? We have some leftover cardboard here. So remember, when cutting cardboard, don't cut perpendicular like this, but rather at an angle like that. And let's see how this guy does. Rate it in the comments from 1 through 10. Here we go. Yeah. Yeah, did I mention this thing was going to be a slicer? Because it certainly is slicing through this cardboard like it is nobody's business. Yeah. Very slicey blade for sure, no doubt about that. Well, there you have it, guys. Those are the 3 knives that we just unboxed. I'm probably going to make 3 different uploads because I don't want this one upload to be extra long. But yeah, I'm gonna, for SEO purposes, search engine optimization purposes, I'm going to probably make 3 different videos. We just unboxed the Kizer Doberman. This one is the Phoenix. And this one is the Huntsmen. 3 killer Kizer knives. Man, these are beastly looking, and I think they kind of go up from there, right? This one is a little bit more on the affordable side. Both of these are premium steel as well. I can't wait to EDC these knives and come back to you with a comprehensive review on all 3 of them, because there's certainly a lot of EDC potential here. These are very slicey cutting tools, very good performance as you saw during the cutting test, and they certainly probably will perform really well. Of course, I'm gonna gather all the feedback I possibly can during the time I'm gonna be carrying them and come back to you with a comprehensive review here in the very near future. Check out the affiliate links on below if you want to check out any of these knives. If you end up purchasing a knife using one of the links, it does help out the channel at no extra cost to you. Once again, shout out to Lefty EDC for providing us with the opportunity to check out these knives. Check out the Lefty EDC channel. It's going to be linked down in the description if you don't already know it. Check him out. He makes awesome content, and if you're lefty, I mean, you owe it to yourself to check out, you know, some EDC content from a lefty guy's perspective. Guys, if you made it to the very end, you're the real MVP. Go ahead and smash that like button if you haven't already, so that it can help the video rank higher in the YouTube algorithm and reach a larger audience. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, because I make knife content like this on an ongoing basis, on a daily basis. Every day of the week, you'll see some content from this channel. So if you're into that, please go ahead and subscribe. If you want to support the channel a step further, there's a link down there for Patreon where you can support the channel for as little as $1 a month. Chances are by the time you're done watching this video, the review on this beast of an EDC knife right here, the Microtech Stitch, is ready to go. If that is the case, I'm going to go ahead and put a card for this review video right here for you guys to check that one out next. Guys, it's been a pleasure. I love you all. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day, and I'll catch you all on the next one. Peace.